Used to have none tonight. I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need nobody. What's up, guys? Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. I'm so happy tonight, I guess. Good to have you all, guys. Mark your attendance. Let us make some trades tonight. It's a beautiful Wednesday. So let us see how it goes. Good to have you all, guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Let us watch the market and see if we can get some moves tonight. I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need nobody. All right, I see you, Pepra. Good to have you. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? I see you, Muhammad. I see you, TT. Good to have you all, guys. Tell me, how was your day today? Did you execute any trade, guys? Cheap thrills. All right, I see you watching from Ghana. Good to have you. Guys, while you're here, don't forget to mark your attendance. It's a trading assembly, guys. Tell me, did you execute any trades today? All right, we are in with our first trade. Let us see how it goes. All right, Papo, I see you. Good to have. Oh my first trade was crazy. It didn't go so well. Let us see how it moves. I don't need nobody. All right. We are having some good movement here. Let us see. Oh, beautiful. Our first trade was taken out because of a pullback, but we came back strong. Let us keep moving and looking for more entries. Guys, tell me, where are you watching from? Face Stacy, hi. Good to have you, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know. We are in an uptrend so far based on structure. Let us see how it goes. I wanna hang out, I'll be in my own zone. Oh my, that's crazy. Joseph, good to have you. Where are you watching from, guys? All right, good to have you all, guys. So let us move. You know how we do it here. Good vibes and clean moves only. So let us see how this goes. If you know somebody, you got to show me. It ain't easy to be me. They can do this. Wow, beautiful. I see you, Bob. Good to have you. All right, Hemosa, what's up? Traders in the building, mark your attendance. Did you execute any trades today? How was your trading day in short? Because I expect you to be somewhere in the market cruising. So let's move. I really could see us depending on me. Cameron, good to have you, my friend. How are you? Did you execute? Did you look at your charts today, guys? They can do this shit on me, no, no. Andrew, what's up? What's up, guys? Tell me, how is your night? I'm in a very good vibe. Let me hope the market also has a good vibe for me. I'm in such a good vibe, so let's see how this goes. Lan Jamanisha. A can't give your heart I oh I become I shock stocks. What's up? What's up? Are you a stock trader? Because I mean, I show stock sounds like someone who does stocks, guys. Traders in the building, mark your attendance. Tell me, how is your trading day? Let us watch the market for another move. It's gonna be a beautiful night. I already feel it. Stick around, because I'll be sharing some tips, and you're free to ask any trading question you want to know. Yeah, tonight we are trading with pure price action. That's how we do it here every night. Me and the girl in the tight of skirt. Me and the girl in the tight of skirt. When will you upload your strategy video? Guys, I have videos on my channel, and I believe every video I be explaining parts of my strategy, which is not so complicated. Yeah, guys, tell me, how many pure price action traders do we have in the building? Or any trader, you can comment your trading strategy. I mean, someone could be already trying to use it and they don't know how to find their way. So you can comment and see how many strategies we have, different strategies we can use in trading. And by the way, this is binary options trading. And obviously, my expiration time is 15 seconds. What time do you take the donations? In the next few minutes, of course, we are going to already be making the queue for the participants. If you want to take part, there's a link in the description down there. Donation link, you can use that. Oh, it was crazy here. And all those that sent the donation, you can send a screenshot for more confirmation. Yeah, so that we do not miss out your name on the queue. You can send more a screenshot for that. But I mean, in the next few minutes, we are going to be going in for the participants. But for now, it's personal. It's me doing my thing. My dear, do not spam comment. I already told you, I already shared. I have videos on my channel that are explaining my strategy, and more are still coming up. Just be locked in. Just get locked in on this channel, guys. More stuff is coming in. Yeah, I'll soon upload another video soon. Yeah, but for now we can be cruising on the streams. Andrew Leon, good to have you. Good to have you. Nature's in the building. How are you doing? Yeah, Mr. G, good to have you. Someone is asking, explain how the indicator gives you a confirmation. Guys, this is a reminder. I do not only base my confirmations on the indicator. No, I look at other confluences. At least I make sure I have about three confirmations to execute a trade. But whenever I'm using the indicator, I look out for breakouts either to the upside or to the downside. And whenever I get a breakout to the upside, I can anticipate buyers in the market. But I also wait to get more confirmation if buyers are really in the market. You know how the market moves? Sometimes you could think it's a breakout when it's just a fake out and you really get trapped. So I do the same thing with selling. I also wait. If I get a breakout to the downside, I wait for the market to give me confirmation for selling. That is basically how I use the indicator. Yeah. Let me hope that has helped you, my friend who asked. Time, one time. Yeah. My candles, guys, are 5 seconds, and expiration is 15 seconds. You don't wanna answer me. You don't wanna answer me. Are there any parameter amounts for donating? All information is on the donation page. You can check it out from there, my friend. I'm using the indicator with its default settings, guys. You know how we do it here? We do not complicate, we do not exaggerate, we just take everything simple. Yeah, simplicity is key here. And just heavy on discipline. You don't wanna answer me. Traders in the building, I told you to mark. I asked you to mark your attendance with your strategy. Guys, share your trading strategy. I remember when I was still a beginner, I think I had like about 10 strategy. Because you guys know my story by now, I was at first I was a forex trader, so I used to know SMC, ICT, price action, trend lines and all that. But the more you know, the less you're going to be consistent. So actually, to focus on one strategy, it is when my friend was trying to teach me chart patterns. That's when I drew the line. I was like, you know what? I know enough. I'm going to just focus on this. Because actually, with price action, most strategies they rotate around pure price action. So focusing on it is good, but that is only from my experience. Everyone has a right to have their own strategy. But that's how I drew a conclusion that I'll just be looking at price action despite all the strategies that are out there in the world. All right, your strategies break and retest. Oh, okay. That is really good actually. It's more of giving you double confirmation. I feel like, is that what you follow, Cameron? Mm-mm-mm-mm. If you come a little closer. Guys, so you can tell me more and more. All right, I'm seeing someone else pure price action. Traders, you can tell me more and more strategies that you look out for. And we want only those that have worked for you guys. Because despite that I knew many, it's not like all of them I followed them and they were working out for me. But that doesn't mean if it didn't work out for me, it is wrong for you. Trading, it's all about someone's discipline and psychology they have towards the market, that everything works out for them or not. All right, I see you, Trevor. Trevor, what is your strategy? Tell me, tell me. I am very good today, by the way, guys. I'm okay. I'm really okay. I feel so good about life right now. My body is in a good state. Yeah. All right, I see you. Fafona, MC Trade, I see ya. You make me feel like I can't live without you. Stay. Wow, guys, we are having some movement here. Are you seeing it? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Someone said they have no idea about this sector. We all start from there when you just hear about trading, but you have no idea about it. But the key is to remain inquisitive and do more research about it. Yeah. Ah. Oh my, that's crazy. That's crazy. Trevor is saying is a contrarian trader. I go against the trend and it is fun. Tell me more. Tell me more. Is it more like a pullback trader? Is it more you are like a pullback trader? There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, and it is Pocket Options for all those that are asking. All right. Someone is saying, says, I use price action, supply and demand. All right. All right. All right. That is beautiful. I knew at some point I used to really also look out for supply and demand. I had got the concept of it at some point when I was still a forex trader, but basically for binary options, I just look out for price action moves. It is easier here. Like I told you guys, pure price action, it's so I like it because you can apply it on all time frames and it gives you results. And guys, whenever I'm analyzing the market, I look at different time frames. I do not first focus on one. I look at a higher time frame, I look at a mid time frame and a lower time frame to get a bigger picture of market direction, since it is key in understanding and executing my trades. Where can I learn? All right, guys, I'm always here sharing. You're free to ask anything you do not understand. I mean, this is a trading assembly, guys. It's for us traders to share our experience, but more so also to catch up good vibes. So feel free to ask anything, share anything as a trader, your challenges, your watch. I mean, that's how traders grow and learn. Feel free. All right, Cameron, I agree with you. He's saying the best thing about binary is that you do not have to worry about fundamentals affecting your charts. That's so true. That is true. With binary options, we are really not so much affected by news. Those are like the fundamentals, news. And it's so crazy in other markets. Seriously, it is very crazy. Fundamentals really play a big role in other markets, but here we have some cover towards them. The thing I remember is a beautiful moment. No. Okay, let us see how this goes. How do you get every move accurate? Okay, maybe you've just joined, but trading, there is nothing like 100% accuracy. Sometimes you see a move and it goes in the opposite direction, but the key is to keep a positive mindset and hope for the best when you execute your next trade. But all the trades that work out for me, it is entirely because I be following my strategy. Yeah, I wait for moves that are in line with my strategy, because if you do not wait for moves that are in line with your strategy, guys, you're going to find yourself rushing or trying to chase the market, something that is not good, because any candlestick that is printed on the chart, it's a sign. It could show you a move, but you only have to wait for your moves that are in line with your strategy. That is the easiest way you can trade. Otherwise, anytime a market prints a candle, someone could be seeing something depending on how they are looking at the market and what they are looking out for. You guys are crazy. There are some comments I read and I really roll. What do you mean candles are her slaves? All right, good to have you all. Paul, I see you. JBLD rather, I see you, my friends. Let's move, let's move. Marix, I see you. Nathaniel, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all, guys. It's gonna be moving well. In a few minutes, we are getting into our donations. Faze, I see you. Maslen. Yeah, guys, good to have you all. Good to have you all. Oh, damn. We take an L here. I had anticipated the market to move down, but I didn't really go that far. How many years of experience do you have, Ivy? Only 4 years, guys. I discovered trading in 2022, and from then, I've really never taken time off trading. Actually, from the time I discovered till to date, I've never missed any year. The longest I've gone without really looking at my charts, I think it could be like 2 weeks. You know those days when you're still a beginner or you're just there and you really making losses, you get that mentality to take a break. But still, I would not really take those longer breaks. I would not have a heart of giving up. I would really make a loss, but still hold on to coming back in the market. At some point, I felt like the market owed me, and that is normal for all traders, especially if you have made losses. You get a point and you feel like the market owes you and you want to get back everything. That spirit is what kept me from not giving up on trading. And here we are. A How many candles do you have to wait for a pullback before you make any entry? Guys, whenever you are in a trending market and the market pulls back, There are no specific candles. You could not say that it has pulled back 3 candles. Now I think the pullback is done. I should really execute. No, that is the concept of candlestick patterns where it comes in. Because sometimes the market can pull back with just one single candle and the pullback is done. Sometimes there could be many, sometimes there could just be two. There is no specific number. That is according to my experience as a person who looks at candlestick patterns. You just have to understand with the market structure and the candlesticks. Basically, that's what I really look out for. That's why, guys, I always remind you whenever you're looking at market structure, try to understand the strong points, that I mean the strong high or the strong low, that really push the market to make a serious move. Because once you understand that, it will be easier for you to understand that the pullback would be done or not by how the structure is forming. A You're welcome, my friend. I mean, that's what we always do here. Okay, we are having some good move here from buyers. Okay, beautiful. Trevor, why are you asking why? I'm just seeing a comment of why. How do you know the market is moving with your strategy? Tested, approved, and trusted. No, actually, you don't know that the market is moving with your strategy. You just, every time you open your charts, you just come to look at the market to look for your strategy, what comprises of your strategy. It's what you look out for in the market. The market doesn't move according to your strategy. You just look out for your strategy. Those confluences are the ones that you look out for, because all the strategies in the world, they follow one market, the same market. I mean, I'm using price action right now, but someone who trades with chart patterns could also be looking at the same chart, but they are going to just come and look out for any chart pattern that can make sense to them for them to execute trades. The same way, I also look at the same chart and I only look out for price action moves that I can execute from. Yeah, yeah. Mm, mm. Yeah, yeah, baby, come closer. Hey, hey, I love your streams. I also love you. I also love you guys. Much love from here, guys. I love it that you be very active. I love it that you like my live. I love it that you show up here every now. And I love it that you're traders and you want to learn and you also bring good vibes. I mean, I love everything about you guys. Hey. Ah, ah, yeah, yeah. Come closer. Okay, hey Ivy, newbie, how do you? I mean, I have no problem with it. Let us look out for more moves, guys. Mark your attendance. Tell me, how was your trading day? How was your trading day? How was your trading day? Mm-mm-mm-mm. If you had a very good trading day, comment how it was. Mm-mm. Can you please explain the price action you're talking about? All right, Delsto. If you agree with him, if you're here and you're ready for the strategy, mark your attendance. I want to know how many people have sharpened their ears before I start, because I can never refuse to explain my strategy to any of you guys. You come closer. Okay, Mark, good to have you. Good to have you. I want to see more. Oh my, this really went against us so much. This really went crazy against me. Let me look for another move. Why do you pick time of the day? Are you meaning why do I pick this time of the day? I pick this time of the day because I be when I'm going to be on the stream. Yeah, basically that's the reason. There is no hidden agenda. Yeah. Hey. All right. Do you also trade during that day? Sometimes, guys. Yeah. All right. Wow, this is some good move here, guys. We got some crazy momentum from sellers and some good candlestick pattern here. We can see it had a rejection, we followed by a bearish Marabuzo candle. So that was a confirmation of strong selling momentum. Yeah. We can think together. What's the only thing I'm thinking of? 100 derivative. Good to have you. Good to have you. Wisdom. How are you? I'm not using Bollinger Bands. I'm using Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings, guys. You trade with the bot. Currently, I'm executing my trades, but yeah, sometimes I trade with Skynet bot, and there's a link in the description for it. Reach out to Skynet support team and get a free bot. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You're welcome, my friend. Thinking of in the morning when I'm waking up. Honestly, but that's how the market moves, guys. There is no perfection in the market. The key is to be probabilistic, to have a probabilistic mindset that you cannot get 100%, but if you can get about 70, 80, I mean, you're good to go. You're good to go. I'm using the indicator with its default settings. All right, someone has really asked a very interesting question. How long did you stay in your demo account when you started? To be honest, personally, I did do demo accounts. And I believe it's the best thing that has happened to me in my trading. Honestly, I didn't start on a demo, maybe because I was already surrounded by traders that were already trading. I really didn't give demo any chance. But I can say when I was still a beginner, I used to start with very little capital that I would really blow in just a few times. Yeah, I would start with little capital. But anything that works for you, someone could start on a demo and they really get to a real account and they do well. Just me, I wasn't really exposed to people who are doing demos, so I just started with a real account. So let's keep moving.
Yo, what you saying, man, boy? So my boy April come on the side of the road. You already know she always next to man. Don't worry. I gonna make it up that later. Yeah, you don't know.
Oh my, we take an L. Oh, what happened there?
I give you everything you want, but all you talk about is everything I don't. Hey, why you always trying to
Mm-mm.
say? It's like I can't do nothing without getting lit. Yeah, until I throw you on the bed.
So, Cameron, you who asked about if I started on a demo. Tell me, did you start on demos or you also went straight to a live market? Guys, honestly, this is just from my experience as a trader. I feel like if you really start on real market, it will help you also reduce on that fear of the market, because real markets, all traders begin with that extreme fear, but the more you are in the real market conditions, it keeps on reducing. That's from my experience. There's a link in the description for the broker I'm using, G-Rock, G-Rock the Beat. I'm trading binary options. I'm trading binary options, guys. Mm. Let's go. Beautiful. I love it when we fight just to make up. All right, you just tried it for a month, then went live. Okay, that's good. Guys, let us first get into a discussion. Tell me, is it better to first start on the demo, or it is better to just go real from the beginning? Of course, after learning something, not just when you have just seen me today talking about trading and you just start there. I mean, when you have had some time learning and you feel like now you're ready to start. So, guys, tell me, which one is better, to start with the demo or to just go straight to the live market? I love it when we fight just to make up. Speak English. I thought I was speaking English, guys. All right, someone said chat with demo. Why? And this one, first, I think live experience is best because there is more emotion. Yeah, honestly, I think that's why the people I was around with, they didn't really encourage me to start with demo, because you will never have any feelings towards 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 the market whenever you are on a demo, unlike a live market. In a live market, it's really crazy, especially when you're a beginner. I mean, some days you sweat, you execute a trade and sweat, pray for it, all that. But with a demo, you can never have that feeling. All right, guys, we already have our participants for tonight. The queue is ready, so we are about to make some moves. But for now, let us see how this goes. All right, she tell me your love. Mm-mm-mm. No, like no one has 100% emotions figured out in trading. Honestly, I don't think there is that person who has 100% emotions figured out. Yes, you're going to execute a trade, but there are those moments where actually you could be emotionally attached so much, and you will really sweat. No matter what, you will sweat. Trading is really crazy. There isn't anyone who is 100% honestly there. Emotions, strategy wise, everyone has their weaknesses in trading. Anyways, guys, I was going to talk about my strategy, which is pure price action. And by pure price action, I look out for market direction, that is understanding, am I in an uptrend, am I in a downtrend. Yeah, whenever I'm in an uptrend, I will definitely execute a buy trade because I really love trading with that trend. And if I'm in a downtrend, I'll execute sell trades. And a downtrend means the market is moving downwards in series of lower highs and lower lows. So the best way to trade a downtrend is waiting for a pullback, then you get in. The more you get better with trading, you can also start seeing pullback trades, and you can take them if you really can see a move. But if you're a beginner or you don't want to really stress yourself, you can just focus on following the trend. Anything that makes trading easier for you, it is what exactly you should do. There's no point of trying to catch all the moves in the market. You can pick a few that you can really catch and get some, and you get the bag. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Your life ain't mm-mm. I'm gonna do what I got to do. All right, the other thing I look out for, guys, it is market structure. Market structure is king, guys. If you understand it, you'll be good to go, because most actually of the trading strategies, they rotate about market structure mainly. So once you understand market structure, you will be somewhere in your trading. The other thing you can look out for is candlestick patterns for more refined entries. Basically, that's what I do. That's what I do. All right, someone is saying, I missed you yesterday. Guys, I also missed you guys, but we are here for some time. We no matter what. Oh my, crazy. Everybody else go. Mm-mm. So all those that were asking we are taking some L's here, guys. All those who are asking about the strategy, let me hope you have got some idea, you have got something to look out for. If you already have a strategy, you can stick to it. Why not? All strategies work. At the end of the day, it is discipline that differentiates traders, serious traders, from players. Once you stop playing and focus on your trading and building a discipline, you get somewhere, guys. Let us stay there, understand there. We. Okay, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Oh, God, it's getting hot in here. But let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Leaf, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you, Leaf. Traders in the building. Tell me, how was your trading day? Did you execute? What? We no matter one. Everybody hands go up. And they stay there. And they stay there. And they stay there. And I know is we. Good. All right, guys, let us get into the donations. Who is ready for the donations? Who is ready for our next move? All right, let us first secure some profits, then we get into the donation. Excuse me, guys. Let us lock in. Let us get locked in more. Someone comment locked in for life. Thank you, Trevor. So here we are with our first. Here we are with our first contestant. And it's there. You know how we do it here. More discipline, more patience. We want to get very good entries for our participants. So waiting and watching more to the moon. All right, I see you, my friend. Good to have you, Serg Pujar. What's up? What's up? All right, we are in with our first attempt. Wow, beautiful move there. Okay, guys, it goes well. Let me hope you're watching with me. Get a notebook because I'm gonna be sharing more. Hey. Take a dip on a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. Boy, you belong to me. Yeah, guys, let us watch. Let us watch for our next move. We are having some pullback. Let us see if it's going to just be a pullback or there's going to be some change in structure. based on how sellers can push the market. Oh my god. Promise that can be broken. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right, let us see how this goes. Beautiful. Honestly, I think the best thing that can happen to you when you're trading is really executing a trade and it immediately goes in your direction. There is that joy that comes to me always. Feels good. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe all about me. So let us look for another move. Let's go. Falling in love. Okay, we had some crazy indecision happening, but finally buyers have managed to take on. Guys, let me see congratulations. Let me see congratulations to our first participant. And you know how we do it here, guys. Everything goes to their account. Yeah, let me see more congratulations to our first participant, guys. All right, he said, I hope you get a good trade. Show me the best trade for today. In the first line, from LA to Tokyo. Yeah. What should I show you? They do that. So fancy. You already know. Yeah, in Tokyo. Guys, let us watch out for our next participant. Let us see if we can get some good moves. Let's see, let's see. Okay, nice. Crazy move. Here we are for our next attempt. I'm so fancy. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading thing you want to know. Feel free to ask. Yeah. The strategy I'm using is pure price action. So every trade I'm executing, I'm basically looking out for confluences that are in line with our strategy. Why did you why? Let us continue with our down movement and see how it moves. I feel like doing something, so I'll play the next song. The platform, there's a link in the description, Josie, for the platform. Down there, you can check it out. I like to be okay. Let us continue with our downtrend. You know how we do it here. We are trend followers. Let's keep moving. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, our last attempt has not turned out well, despite the fact we are trying to follow our downtrend. So sorry, my friend. Crazy. That's how trading is. Everything could be in line with your strategy, and still the market chooses to be the market, because at the end of the day, a I like to be everything you are. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was, let us see. Let us move on to the next person, William. Oh my, you guys are crazy. Can't say that. Let's see. Let's see. Excuse me. Our first attempt has gone so well. Salah has really made some move here. And people who trade chart patterns right now, they could really have a chart pattern formed. Any traders in the building that trade with chart patterns, mark your attendance. You only enter when the candle is closed. Of course, candle closure is really key in trading. Yeah, because sometimes the candle you could enter when the candle is just opening and it closes against you. Okay, congratulations to Williams. Let me see you say congratulations, guys. Let me see more congratulations, guys, in the comments. Congratulations. Now they always say congratulations. Yeah, congratulations to conquer, to rise. I came to win, to survive. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know. And if you want to be in the part of the participants, there is a link in the description. There's a link in the description. Yeah, feel free to Wait. Me against them, me against enemies, me against them. Guys, let me see more congratulations, in the comments. Let me see more congratulations in the comments. I came to win, to survive. And let us move on to our next participant for the night. To fly. And there's a link for my Telegram channel, guys. You can feel free to join. And all those that want to reach out to me, you're free. All right. I'm presenting the generation. To ride. Guys, you're crazy there. But as you're crazy, let us also watch for the market as we are keeping up the good vibes. Let us also look for another entry, guys. We are having some good structure here from buyers. Let me hope you can see the market really broke out to the upside and it pulled back, and we are still having a ride to the moon. So let us see if we can get any move. Seems it's starting to pull back. To fly. Wow. Pull up if you feel lonely. So let us see how this buy turns out. We are just trying to move with the uptrend, guys. Hey. Okay, second attempt goes well. WhatsApp number, guys. There's a link to my Telegram. Feel free to use that. You can reach out to me via that. There's a link to my Telegram in the description. Feel on that you feel lonely. Pull up if you feel lonely. All right. Let us cruise with the sellers. Let us push it down. Beautiful move. Megatron. Hey, is someone proposing to me in the comments? Is someone trying to propose to me in the comments? I will marry you. When do you plan our marriage? All right. Congratulations to our participant. Congratulations. Guys, let me see. Congratulations to Michael. I I want to order a lot of expensive shoes. Guys, our participant said, I want to order a lot of expensive sushi. So get me. Let me hope you are able to order it, my friend. Let me hope you are able to order it. I wish you invited me to join you. You guys are crazy. So let me see. Someone else is saying, okay, I'm having two proposals so far in the comments. No way, I'll marry you. Tell me where you're from. Guys, you know what I want. You know, anyone who is bringing their proposal, you know exactly what I need. But let me remind you, in case you don't know, I need someone who's going to give me a diamond ring. You're going to give me 100K and buy me a Ferrari. Yeah, so once you bring that, guys, I'm ready to go. So all those that are bringing in your proposals, let me hope you're ready. Let me hope you're ready. All right, let us look out for more moves in the market as I'm waiting for my proposals. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. It was crazy over there for some time, but here we are. Oh my, oh my. Someone is saying they also want the same things, but instead of rings, you want watches. Yeah, I mean, that's what we have here. All right. Of course, we are going to get all the things we need. Let's move, let's move. Okay, beautiful move. Guys, you can see if you're really trading and you're executing according to your strategy, it reduces on the pressure that you always feel in the market. And believe me, if you take an L and you realize everything was in line your strategy, it will not affect you so much emotionally than someone who just opened a chart and executed randomly. It doesn't affect you that much. And you know, as a trader, you really have to protect your psychology in all ways. Oh my God. You have to protect your psychology because once it is damaged or ruined, believe me, even if you have the best strategy, you start fearing to execute and all that. So let us keep moving. Let us look for another attempt. Swalala. All right, someone is asking, do you trade gold? Oh my third attempt didn't go well, guys. Oh my God. That was crazy there. Taking an L on a final attempt, it's not really, really nice. All right, let us wait for another move. You know, in trading, you can see something as a good move, but until the market moves in the opposite direction, yeah, let us look for another good opportunity for our next participant. Fitness. If I broke none my business. I like it for the night.
I don't think it's necessary. I began to get somebody that can do like me. When I feel like I'm coming up the right way, I come to your defender, you know need to tell me. I'm a horse, finesse. I even said me, I'm a step. And then I will carry go. If me, I got money question. If
All right, someone say, can you explain when you're entering? Because it looks like magic. All right, but I'll be explaining, guys. I'll be explaining, but I'll never. Okay, for the night. Guys, I really like everyone on my stream. I like everyone. What do you mean? What are you even asking? Everyone here is in my heart. If I broke my business. I am trading binary options, guys. That's what I'm really trading. Finance. Beautiful. Let me see. Congratulations to our participant. Only wanted one attempt, and just one attempt, and they move on with their life. Over. I said I already told you. I think I love you. Rakib, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Good to have you guys. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know. Someone is saying I broke their heart because I said everyone is in my heart. Now you don't want me to love my fellow traders. And you're trying to be toxic. You want me to stop loving my fellow traders? I really love you. Guys, I love you all. I love you all. I mean, much love from here, from me to you. So let us continue with this down movement. You can see where the structure was forming a downtrend. And someone actually asked about a pullback. Do you look at how many candles? In this case, you can see here, it wasn't so solid, but it was a pullback, and our trade has really closed well. So sometimes whenever you're in a market, the pullback doesn't have to be so deep. And if you're looking at different time frames, you can see on another time frame when it's kind of deep or not, but it just formed a candlestick pattern. The platform I'm using, there is a link in the description for it. Yeah, I wanna stand with you. Guys, we are in with our second attempt. Let us see how it goes. All right, let me see. Congratulations to Mitch. Let me see. Congratulations to Mitch. It's a new moon. I am. Yeah, let me see more congratulations to Mitch, guys. Give me the sweet for real. C'est la vie, looking pretty. We are learning and earning today. I mean, here we are always for good vibes, learning, and everything happens on this stream. So, as a trader, if you're not seeing anything, you're free to ask me any trading question. Okay, man. All right, let us move on to the next. How do you understand for buy and sell? To understand buys and sells, I mean, you first understand the market direction you're in, and you also understand market structure. If you are in an uptrend, that is when the market is moving up. That is the easiest way you can understand an uptrend. You can just buy in an uptrend, but you look out for other confluences. You can look at a candlestick pattern. Candlestick patterns, they show you market direction or help you understand. For example, it could be in an uptrend and you spot a bullish engulfing candle at end of a pullback. That is a sign that the market is already shifting back to its direction, which is the uptrend, and you can buy. And if the same happens in a downtrend, you could be in a downtrend and you spot and a bearish engulfing candle after a pullback. That is a sign that the market is already going to shift back to its original trend, which is the downtrend, and you can buy. So that's why my strategy is simple: looking at candlesticks, understanding market direction and structure, and I go by that. We make the room. I'm using Kelton indicator, not Boniga bands, my friend. So let's move. Wow. So that's, guys, whenever I explain my strategy, I really recommend you be watching the market, because the more I explain, the more when I execute a move, you can really see why it happened. Lava. There's a link in the description for my Telegram for all those that want to reach out to me. Please do not spam comment. I may get to remove you. Just don't do that, my friend. Don't do it. Don't do it. Love the three summers now. Let us wait for our next move, guys. So keep watching. Keep watching. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe, because I share very nice videos on this channel. So you be ready to get locked in the next video when it drops. Lava. Oh my. Where did this selling pressure come from? It's a crazy candle. It's a crazy candle here. It really took us out, guys, on our second attempt. It really took us. Take me now, take me now. That was crazy. Sorry. Losses are part of the game. Let us move on to the next. Lava. There's a link in the description, Mariam, for the platform that I'm using right now. You can check it out down there. Guys, let us watch for the next move. You know, market rewards those that are patiently waiting for the move. This is the... My candlesticks are 5 seconds, guys. Where you go. All right, guys, if you really sent in your donation and you're not seeing your name on the list, please send a screenshot for more confirmation in the Telegram. Then you'll be added immediately. In the living room. Make the room. Listen and please you want to. All right, I see you all. I see you all, guys. Good to have you. Good to have you. Where you go, be these close forever and ever and more. Do you often come for live trading? Of course, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So feel free to come, catch up good vibes and good moves with me. Yeah, come and learn, come and catch up good vibes with fellow traders. I mean, we're always here sharing something. To end up with you, I had to love a dramatic and true to my lover for me. Yes. So guys, this is a very nice uptrend. Market has really been moving and breaking all previous highs. So let us see how this goes. Never, never again. Wow. We really got some very good pullback trade there, guys. Let me hope you're watching, guys. Let me hope you're watching so that when I say something, we are on the same page. And after a pullback, guys, you expect the market to go back to its trend, and that is what it is moving. Broke the previous high, and after a break of structure, you expect a pullback, which sometimes happen a deep pullback, or sometimes it's not so deep. And sometimes a pullback does not happen immediately after a break of structure. It could continue upwards and after pullback later. All those are true and valid whenever you're looking out for a market structure, when you're looking at the market structure. Okay, here we are. Hey, let me see some congratulations. We got another good pullback trade here. Let me see some congratulations to our contestants. Let me see congratulations, guys. I want to see more congratulations in the comments. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Like a body sweeter than coffee, for me. Sometimes I be zoned out on chats. I don't hear what Ivy says. Yeah, that's true. That's true, guys. You have to really look at your chats, and you make sure you're looking out. Oh my, excuse me. You have to always make sure you don't just look at the chats. You have to look out for something. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you, Cameron. It feels so good when you sneeze and someone tells you bless you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Raindrop. Thank you, thank you. Much love from here. All right, Elijah, thank you. Thank you. Let us move on to our next. I'm born to win. Can I got anybody to help me so I'm a soon? All right. Our first attempt goes so well. One bat, good to have you, good to have you. Just stay locked in, because here we share everything. Not just good vibes, just to win. All right, greetings, Mustafa. Greetings to guys. If I don't see your comment, you can comment again because sometimes I'm looking at the chats looking for the moves. So if I don't see your comments, don't come for me. It's not like I'm ignoring anyone. All right. These are the kind of moves I like. When you execute a trade and immediately goes in your direction, that's what I really like. My dream. Elijah, what are you asking to join what? I was asking, do you ever have a losing day? I do not necessarily have a losing day, but of course, sometimes you execute a trade and it goes against you. I mean, everything I'm doing, you're seeing it on this stream, and you see sometimes I execute a trade and it goes against me, and other times it really goes in my direction. All right, beautiful. The key in trading is to be disciplined enough to follow your risk management and your trading plan and your strategy so that you minimize your losses and capitalize on your wins. I'm using the indicator with its default settings, and let me see. Congratulations to our participant. It's nice. Okay. Let me see, guys. More congratulations. Yeah, let me see more congratulations, guys. Hey, hey. Mm-mm. So let us watch out for our next move and see how it goes. All right, nice, nice, nice. Monster. Okay, I'm seeing someone who has just followed. Thank you. I mean, keep subscribing because I'm going to be sharing, dropping more and more videos. So if you don't want to miss out, yeah, keep subscribing. Wow, this really happened in a very good way. Guys, let me see a wow and congratulations to our participant. It really moved well. Ow. Let me see more congratulations, guys. Don't mind. Don't I mean congratulations more. Let me see more of them in the comments. Every day, every night, it won't stop. Won't stop. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you wanna know. Yeah. And if you're enjoying this, if you're enjoying the stream, you can keep liking it. Oh my god. Yeah, you can keep liking the stream because we're here to do as we are watching. And you know how we do it here, everything goes to the participants tether. Ah. New here, I just want to explain what you're doing. All right, Sad. Good to have you, first of all. Good to have you. I am trading binary options, and the strategy I'm using is the strategy I'm using is price action, where I just look at market structure, market direction, and I also refine my entries with candlestick patterns. That is what I am doing here. I do not only base my entries on the indicator, guys. Like I'm from explaining, I look out for those things in pure price action, and the indicator I'm using it for with its default settings. La, and guys, you know how traders we do it. We have to remain very, 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 very consistent. That's how you build discipline. Yeah, so when you take an L, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't think that you are failed in trading. I mean, losses are part of the game. All traders take them. It's just that we try to minimize them. That is the only difference. So when you take an L, don't give up. Remain consistent. Remain consistent until you start seeing results. then just send him my way. Mhm. I wanna say So let us see how this closes. My land is your land. Okay. Elijah, you do not have to understand everything in one day. I mean, trading is a skill that you build with time. Yeah, you just have to remain consistent. Everything will start making sense. Trading is a skill and it does not happen to you in just one night. You give yourself time to learn. Then my way. Please teach us your secrets. Guys, there are no secrets. There are no secrets. Maybe discipline. You guys can exaggerate. You are really interesting in there. But I wanted to answer something. How long have you been trading? 4 years. 4 years. But I can tell you my first 2 years were crazy. It's just a matter of not giving up. You're beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. You're the second person to tell me that today. And I love compliments. They make my days. Thank you. So let's move. All right. Let me say congratulations to our participant, our final contestant for the night. But why do you do Kendrick like that? I just needed. I didn't feel like be humble. Guys, let me say congratulations, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the contestant. Yeah, for all those that want to be part of the donation, there's a link in the description. And if you want to reach out to me, there's a link, there's a link for my Telegram. You can reach out to me via that. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe. The trading platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description down there for it. Yeah, you can check it out. All the rules about the donations, you find them on the donation page. Yeah, there's also a link for Skynet bot in the description. You can reach out to Skynet support team and you get a free bot, guys. See the message on my phone. You should know. Yeah, I want to say congratulations to all our winners for tonight. Yeah. Next time better. For all those that didn't make it tonight. Yeah, for all those that didn't make it tonight, next time better. Wishing you all the best, guys. Don't forget, tomorrow we are here, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Mark your attendance, and guys, be ready to make changes in your life. So good night, see you again tomorrow same time. Bye.